Hey yo, fast and easy how to get high fucking notes. Imagine that you are a Mickey Mouse and talk like that. And then you go for this honk song here in the nose. But with the Mickey Mouse voice. Then open your soft palato for this valve. So thinking about going for the falsetto and put a lot of metallic sound in the nose, that will bring you a powerful voice, not a put a lot of pressure here. A lot of pressure here in your stomach. In other words, your support, and have fucking fun.